Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Coley Kuyper. If you are new here, I am a mom of 7 and I share tips and tricks and inspiration on how to live a life creatively in your home with your kids through DIY projects, through artwork, and through just everyday inspiration on how we live life as a family. I am so excited for you to be here. And for today, I have the cutest Valentine's Day project that you can do for your kids. They are going to love and cherish for a lifetime. So here is how we did the project. Follow along so you can do it. Here is a sneak peek of the card I'm going to show you how I made for my kids. First, you can set up a space in your home to take a new picture of your kids or use a recent one of them that you have on hand. We don't have a ton of blank wall space in our little house, so I just used this canvas drop cloth and set it up so that my kids could sit down in front of it and I could just snap a quick picture. This was actually really fun to do with them. We made it just kind of like a little mini photo shoot. I asked them questions and made them giggle and tell me something they loved about themselves. So you can just have fun with it and make it a fun moment and experience with your kids too.
Wait, don't get back there. You get back there.
So once we were done taking pictures, I chose the photos I liked best and edited them how I liked so I could use my favorite ones. Then I took the photos on my computer and sized them down a little bit so I could fit them on one sheet and make them a little smaller to fit on the cardstock I'm gonna use. Then I took their photos and cut around each of them, leaving a little edge, and made them a little bit smaller so I could fit them in the middle of these 5x7 pieces of cardstock that I used. You can make your cards whatever size you like, just leave enough room around their pictures so you can write all the words around them that you love about them. Next is the super fun part where you get to write their name and think about all the things that you love about them, what they mean to you, who they are, what they mean to your family, and just affirm these things in them. And if you want, you can be a little more creative with it and put some color around it with colored pencils or watercolor paint like I did here. I love to paint, so I just added in some florals and color to each of the pictures, and it turned out like this. So just have fun with it and be creative and add your own special touches to it. I guarantee your kids will love receiving this from you on Valentine's Day this year, or maybe even a birthday, and you can even make it a sweet tradition from you every year as they grow up. So there you have it. I think this project turned out so cute, and I hope it did for you too. I hope you mostly just enjoyed the process, enjoyed the time with your kids. I hope you laughed together and just made a sweet memory. I think that this is something that I might do every year because I think it would be so fun to have them receive notes from me on Valentine's as they grow up and as I learn them more and more over the years. If you enjoyed this project, would you leave a comment below? I want to hear from you and hear if you decided to create this for your kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you can hear from me when I drop the next video to bring more creative inspiration into your life and your home. I also want to personally invite you to join my email list where I send out monthly emails and inspiration to you as a way to continue being creative in your home and giving you tips and tricks on how to do that on a daily basis. So I would love to have you join me there. Thank you for being here, friends. I look forward to the next time we are at my table together.